Welcome back to How to Draw an Axolotl. Okay, so all you need is a pencil, an eraser, a black pen, which is optional, and some colored pencils. Okay, let's begin. So first you're going to want to draw a rectangle in the middle of your paper for its head. Now we're going to start drawing the gills, which are kind of like stair-like, and they will go on the side of the head of your axolotl. Next, we're going to draw the eyes and mouth. So just on the side, you're going to want to draw squares connecting to the sides of the head, kind of. And then the mouth is just going to be a little rectangle, just like that. And we're going to color these in later. Next, what you want to do is shade in the eyes with your pencil. Just shade in the whole thing. Just make them all black. Just like that. Next, we're going to draw the body. So, at the bottom of the head, you're going to kind of want to make almost a square at the bottom, just like that. So next, we're going to draw the arms, and they kind of look like crosses on the sides of the body. And you're going to want to draw 4 of these, just like this. Okay, next you're going to want to draw the tail, which is kind of like the gills. You just draw a long slanted rectangle and then go down like stairs and then draw another one like that and close it up. And then after that you draw another little rectangle in there and shade it in. There, just like that. And this is Alex's drawing. Look how good it's coming along. I think it looks pretty cool, right, Alex? Yeah. There you go. Okay. The next step is above the axolotl's head, we're going to draw 3 little cubes for air bubbles. You can put the cubes anywhere you want. Yes, above the axolotl. If you do have a black pen, now's your chance to outline your axolotl with it if you want to. Next, we're going to color in the axolotl. So you need a lighter color and a darker color. You can do it any color you want, but for this one, we're going to do golden. Okay, so this part we shaded in darker with a pencil. We're just going to erase that and replace it with our darker color. Okay, another spot we're going to want to use our darker color is where the gills touch the head. We're going to want to make it a little darker so it fades into the yellow, like I'm doing here. So what's touching the head, you draw darker and make it go lighter, like that. I also use the darker colors to kind of draw a thin line down the middle and add the little lines for details. You don't have to do this. Okay, now for the bubbles, you're going to want to grab blue and just color in one side of the bubble like this. So you're gonna want to leave a little bit of white still in the bubble. Okay, everybody, as you just saw, Alex has finished coloring in her axolotl. Now, I'm going to show you a little detail that I'm going to add. So, this will be the step before the last step. So, this is what I did. So, you just take a pencil, and on one side of the gills, I made the outline a little bit thicker. It kind of looks like the other side of the gills, so it kind of makes it look a little bit 3D. Okay, so I finished, and as you can see on the right side I made it thicker on the left side, and on the left side I made the outline thicker on the right side. So once you've completed that, you can grab a darker color and just shade in the paws of the axolotls. Just like that. And then congratulations, you have finished your axolotl. If you've been following along the tutorial, it should look just like this, and you have finished.